Hi everyone. So what I will be doing is how the Navajo are similar or different from us. And my standards are exemplify how various groups show artistic expression within the local and regional communities, apply skills in civic engagement and public discourse, and ask and answer questions to demonstrate understanding of a text, referring explicitly to the text as basic for the answers. So today I am learning about the Navajo Indians so I can create a monetary piece for Navajo Native Americans. I know I understand it when I can describe why I chose the image. And that's what students will be doing. And the language function here will be described. And then a very key vocabulary in the lesson is described because of what the students will be doing. Now, I need the book Life of the Navajo by Amanda Bishop and Bobby Common. That is a very important piece in this. And then the students will need pencils, paper, and crayons. Now, students already know how to identify key material in a text, and they know how to write in full sentences, and they know how to write sentences to describe their thoughts and their actions. There are many objects that are important to the Navajo, and if something is sacred, that means it is important. All right, so next we have what I will be doing. So to begin, I will ask the students to remember what what they remember about the Navajo. Yes. I'll allow 5 minutes for the students to explain to me what all they remember, and this is going to really hook the students by getting them to talk about the subject. To make sure students are following along while I read and understanding what I read, I will be giving them a worksheet. Now, this worksheet is a fill in the blank worksheet to follow along. So, what I read, they will fill in the blank of what I'm reading. So, it's going to be exactly what I'm reading. And then I will start to read different chapters, which is a chapter is just 1 page long. It's very short and sweet. So it's not going to take up much time and it's not going to lose the attention span of the students. And then I made sure that everything I'm talking about can also relate to the students and their own daily lives and how this will be similar or different from their own daily lives. And so next I'm going to place students into 4 groups. And then each group will have a different image that I have given them, which is an animal, food, or a hogan. And so what these students will be tasked with is creating a tapestry utilizing these images. And now tapestries are very prominent in the Navajo community, and that's something that we are going to be talking about. And so the students will be making a tapestry and they will be incorporating that image into the tapestry. And then I will have a presentation of different tapestries in case students don't really know what a tapestry looks like. And a student in each group will be tasked with coming up with a reason they chose this image, a reason they chose this design, someone to trace, and someone to color in the design. So everyone in the group has something to do, and no one is just sitting there without anything to do. Everyone is contributing equally. And I'm going to give students 15 minutes to create this activity. It's not anything big, it's just something small. And then after that, they will be presenting it to one another and saying, this is why we chose this image, and then everything that they have done, why they chose the image, and let me see, and why they chose the design they chose. And I will be grading them on a yes or no rubric on was the tapestry completed? Did the students work well together? Did the students have a reason for choosing this image? And do the students have the reason written? And written is very important so they can turn that into me. And that will be my lesson. And here is the questions that they will be following along with and filling in. All right, so we have the follow along worksheet and the weaving presentation. And that will be my lesson. Thank you.